In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Dropbox. If you're new to cloud storage, Dropbox is a simple way to keep your files safe, accessible from any device, and easy to share with others. We'll walk through signing up, adding files, sharing them securely, and collecting files from people, all without overcomplicating anything. Start by heading to Dropbox.com and creating an account. You can sign up with your email or use a Google or Apple login for a quick start. The process is straightforward and you'll be up and running in a minute. New accounts usually begin on the free basic plan, which gives you 2 gigabytes of storage. That's enough to test things out, back up some key documents, and share files. If you ever need more space or advanced features, you can upgrade later, but the free plan is a great way to learn the basics. For seamless syncing across your computer, download the Dropbox desktop app for Windows or Mac. Once installed, it creates a special Dropbox folder in your File Explorer or Finder. Anything you put in that folder automatically uploads to your account and syncs to your other devices. You can work offline, and the app will sync changes when you're back online, showing status icons so you know when files are up to date. You can also upload directly on the web. After logging in at Dropbox.com, drag and drop files from your computer into the browser, and they'll start uploading right away. If you prefer a picker, click Upload and choose specific files or entire folders. Naming your folders clearly makes sharing and organizing much easier later. To share something, hover over any file or folder on the website and click Share. For quick viewing access, copy a link and paste it into an email or chat. Recipients can open and view the file even if they don't have a Dropbox account, and they'll always see the latest version you've saved. If you want ongoing collaboration, invite people to a folder by entering their email address. Before you send, choose the right permission level. Can Edit allows them to add, change, or delete files in that folder. Can View gives read-only access, so they can open and download but not modify anything. Pick what fits your workflow and adjust later if your needs change. Finally, use file requests when you need others to send you files. Dropbox generates a dedicated upload link so people can submit files straight into the folder you specify without seeing your other content. It's perfect for collecting resumes, photos, or documents, and you can close the request when you're done. That's the core of Dropbox. Sign up, sync, upload, share, and collect, simply and securely. Try it now with a test file and see how smooth it feels.